In today's video, I will be sharing with you all a website that is paying up to $20 per hour that is going to allow you to have a flexible schedule in these next regions: in South Africa, West Africa, in America, in the United Kingdom, in South America, as well as the Middle East. So if you heard your country called or if you heard your region called, make sure that you continue to watch the rest of this video. What's up, money makers? Welcome back to this channel. My name is Diamond Chanel and we talk about all things money. I'm going to be showing you a website that is 100% remote and has multiple job openings. If you enjoy this type of content, please leave me a comment below and let me know exactly where you're from and what type of jobs you are looking for. This is going to help me come up with the next video that will be perfect for your needs. Okay, now we're not going to do long intros. Let's just jump right into the information. The website I'll be reviewing today is called Mod Squad. So I'm going to give you a little bit of information about this particular website. This is a company that has worked with many huge companies for content writing and content creation. Now, they are always hiring for different positions, which I will go over in a moment. And the great thing about this website is they are looking for people all over the world. The company specializes in content moderation, customer support, community management, and everything social media. So this company has been around since 2007. So yes, they are a legitimate company that has been hiring for many years. Services that they offer are going to be in strategy and tactics, research and data, management, and operations. So let's get into some of the jobs that they have available. As you can see, they have several openings. I will not be going through each and every one of them, but I'm going to pick a few and then I will give you the links to all of them. So the first one I want to review is going to be this engagement moderation role, and I'm going to explain it in a moment. This particular job is open for people who are located in the United States, except for California, Colorado, New York, and Washington. It is not available in those states, but they do have other offerings available all over the United States, so just stick with me. Now, this is going to be a freelancing role. They're looking for someone who has a deep understanding of online communities and social media. Now, someone who is a social media engagement moderator will provide social media engagement on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram, as well as the game's dedicated Discord server. For this particular job is going to be around a gaming company, so having a love for gaming is a plus. Now, they do have hours open 24/7. They only need you for about 10 hours per week, and this is going to be a 90-day project. They need someone who is fluent in English, has experience with social media, able to write custom responses using proper grammar and spelling, available during primetime gaming hours, and have great communication skills. Also, you need a dedicated laptop or desktop with Windows 10 or above. Since they didn't list the hourly wage within the description, I had to do a little bit of research, and I found that for their lowest paying job, which is going to be in the customer service field, they pay about $15 per hour. For customer support fields, they pay about $20 per hour. So you can expect for all of the jobs that I'm showing you to be within the range of $15 to $20 per hour. The next position is going to be 100% remote for those of you who are located in South America: Argentina, Bolivia, Brazil, Chile, Colombia, Ecuador, Guyana, Paraguay, Peru, Suriname, Uruguay, and Venezuela. This will also be a freelancing position, and they are looking for a content moderator for their gaming client. So the requirements in the description is going to be similar to the one that we just covered before. Now, also, they are looking for someone who can work Monday through Friday, 1 to 10 a.m., someone who has proficient English skills, and also someone who has a dedicated laptop or desktop computer with Windows 10 or above. Our third job opening are for those of you who are in West Africa, South Africa, the Middle East, as well as the United Kingdom. Please be sure to check the screen right now to see if your country is up there. Now, they are looking for someone with excellent writing skills in Spanish and in English, the ability to communicate in a creative manner on social media, someone who has experience with working with different social media channels such as Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and Instagram, and also someone who has the ability to research and source relevant answers to questions in a timely manner. This particular role is going to be a social media engagement role specifically for a tourist company that is one of their clients. Here are all of the different positions and the openings that they have. As I mentioned from the first job that had the United States, however, it excluded a few other states. They do have a position for a customer support job that is open for everyone in the United States. So I highly suggest that if you did not see your country or you did not see your region covered, that you just go ahead and check all the links in the description. Also, if you guys are ever looking for legitimate jobs, I highly suggest that you sign up for flexjobs.com because there are a lot of sites out there that are scamming people who are looking for work from home jobs. FlexJobs offers you legitimate, vetted out remote positions. Before you go, make sure that you check out these two videos here because they're going to give you some more ways to make money online.